Hello, in this video we will learn HTML links. So basically it is the HTML tutorial series, and today we are going to learn about links of the HTML. So basically what is the link? So link is used to go to the from one document to another document. So let's start. Open the Visual Studio Code for better understanding, and we use anchor tag to create a link. So right here the anchor tag, and href is the attribute where we insert the link of the any web page of any website. So you have to insert here the full URL of the website. So I want to use Google page as a reference. So right here https colon double slash dot google.com. Now you can write here something, visit to Google page, and run this code. So you can see here, whenever you will click on this link, you will be redirected to the Google page on the same browser, on the same tab. Okay, now the thing is that there are two types of links, a visited link and unvisited link. So how to recognize this is the visited or unvisited link? So for example, go to the web page and search anything that you want. Like I want to search what is Python, and here we can see many websites. Okay, so to recognize any visited or unvisited link, so whenever you will see any web page, any URL in the underlined and purple, so that is visited link, and see this is underlined and blue, so this is unvisited link. Whenever you will click on this and then go back again, and see color has been changed from blue to purple, but underline is the same. In the both cases you can see the underlined. Whenever you will move your mouse to that URL, that mouse cursor will be changed into a little hand, and the color will be changed after clicking on the URL. So this is the basically difference between unvisited and visited link. This is blue and underlined, it means it is unvisited link, and this is purple and underlined, it is visited link. So these are the difference. Now there is an attribute called target attribute. Basically in the target attribute there are four options. You have blank, self, parent and top. Whenever you will use in the target attribute, and there is an option underscore blank, underscore self, underscore parent, underscore top. So two options are important. First is underscore blank and second one is underscore self. So we will see one by one what's the difference between those options. So type here the target attribute, and write here blank. Okay, you can see whenever you will insert underscore, there are four options: blank, parent, self and top. Okay, but parent, self and top do the same thing. That's why we will not use here self and top. Sorry, blank and self, these two are important options. Parent, self and top do the same. Okay, that's why we will use only blank and self here. So now use the self option and see what is the difference. Whenever you will use self option, so that web page, that URL will be redirect in the same browser, in the same tab. But whenever use the blank option, to see the difference, you will be redirect to the a new browser tab. Okay, so this is the difference between self and blank. Now use the parent. So this will be also open in the same browser tab, and whenever you will use top, that will do the same. Okay, so these are the basic difference between these target attribute and between their options. Now we use another thing. We will use an image to create a link. Whenever you will click on that image, you will be redirected to the website or the web page that you have inserted here in the href attribute section. So for this, we need to close this anchor tag, and between opening and the closing of this anchor tag, we will use here image tag. Okay, and in this image tag, we know what is the src attribute to insert the link of that image. So first of all, we need to insert that image into this folder. So I have downloaded an image. First rename it. And copy that image into this, and now insert here that link. Simply use the name laugh.gif and write here click this image to go to the Google page. See, whenever you will click on that smiley emoji, basically this is the GIF. So click on this and see that you will be redirected to the Google page. And also whenever you will click on that link, that will do the same. Okay, so you have seen that how to change an image, a GIF, to a link. So these are the basics of the HTML link. I hope you understand. So thanks for watching. Let's see in the next video with a new topic of the HTML tutorial.